Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finalizing your created player's core identity: appearance, archetype, handedness, and primary position. Once done, assign equipment and animations that match the role so performance aligns with visuals. Make sure to save the player to your roster and choose Cloud if you plan to use them across modes. If you intend online play, note or set your gamertag linkage. This prevents mismatches later and ensures the game recognizes the created player in Franchise, Diamond Dynasty, and Road to the Show. Now you place the created player into the specific mode. Start the mode from the main menu, then choose the option to create or load an existing player and pick the saved variant. Once loaded, slot them into the lineup or depth chart. This step controls playing time and appearance. For franchise use, edit contract and role to affect AI decisions. For Road to the Show, verify progression sliders and stat caps so your player grows as intended. These choices determine how often you'll actually play with them. Finish by confirming all attributes, badges, and signature animations are correct. This prevents surprises in-game. Then test the player in a quick play or batting/practice session to observe animations and responsiveness. If the player doesn't appear or stats look wrong, reload the roster, toggle Cloud Sync, or reassign your gamertag to refresh links. As a last resort, restore the saved file from Cloud Backup. Doing these checks guarantees your created player behaves predictably across seasons and online matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.